and we're testing the new Garrett Ace 400i. In freshwater where I am here today, you can use maximum, you can use all metal if you want, because freshwater doesn't really bother the coil at all. It does not destabilize the Garrett Ace 400i in any way whatsoever. It's quickly becoming one of my favorite detectors of 2016. To max up the sensitivity. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to zero disc. Let's see how stable she is in the water here. Admittedly now she's only fresh, but I'm getting away with a fast sweep. Oh. We have a signal there. Definitely iron, so we can ignore that one. There's some deep water there now, and the detector is coping with it very well. I'm impressed with this little Garrett Ace. There's a very old bottle here next to the Ace. It's been here a while, I'd say. Maybe it's not that old, but let's have a look. Give it a wash. See, can we actually read the writing? Arbutus Mineral Water Company Limited, with a K underneath it. I'd say it's really modern. It's not that old, but interesting all the same. So we're on pasture, really open farmland with heavy clay type soil. Well, my setup for pasture, what I chose to do was go into jewellery, and I added back in 2 notches of discrimination that's taken out in the default pattern. My sensitivity is going to be full for the first few sweeps to see what happens. It's a reject signal there, so let's walk about at least 10 paces before we'll know what the sensitivity will allow us. And it looks like we're going to get away with full sensitivity, which is probably good, because we need to get through the layer of deep clay that's here. Remember, if you're on pasture, just to keep it very slow and even, because of the anomalies in the ground. Tufts of grass and everything else can upset the smooth processing of the ground signal. So just 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and dig any two-way signals. You can use your iron audio, but that's more effective really in a modern situation. But don't forget, the best discriminator is your own ears, so don't be afraid to suss things out, and don't depend on the machine to do everything for you. They will do a certain amount, but you have to do some of the work yourself. Classically good target here now. It's giving me the bell tone. That was chopped. It's giving me 67. Chopped, and it went to 47. 49. Okay, there we have an iron tone, so we're going to go and check it in iron audio. Bit scratchy, but let's investigate it from another direction. Let's turn to iron. Back to a bell tone again. So but it's ringing the bell fairly regularly. I'll just walk it. Getting chopped there now. Still repeatable though. Okay, I'm after digging that out, and I was disappointed to see the orange colour of ferrous. Fairly lengthy piece. That's about well, let's use the pinpointer to gauge. So that's 7.5 inches. 7.5 inches. So that's what fooled us. No getting away from it, is there? But it did give us some iron audio, but not a lot. 44, 79, 80. But it's such a lean day, we're going to dig it out. It's out of the hole. So, fairly positive hit there in the middle. We're going to extract some more soil from here. It's actually stony enough, and I can see it, and I think it is a coin. How about that? It's a coin. So the bell tone was right, and actually it's not too bad.